You celebrating love, unity, and the start of a lifelong journey is your honeymoon.
Gusto? Kita.
Honeymoon is lifetime. Yes. Kasi kasama mo yung taong mahal mo habang buhay ka.
So, ano, G, huwag na mag-work, puro honeymoon na lang.
Komedyante ka. You know, let's not forget to say I love you. Say I love you nga.